Hi guys, welcome to Lunch Area. Today we're going to be learning the long division with the power of math. Okay, to do long division. Long division is basically a way of doing division. So what we have here is in long division, we're not just doing normal long division, we're doing decimal long division. So as you can see in our first problem, we have 1.2, sorry, 144 divided by 1.2. And then on this problem, we have 380.4 divided by 4. Okay, so I'm going to go through you with this and see what we do with the decimals for both of these problems. So I'm pretty sure, okay. So as you can see, we have 1.2 and 144. So what we have to do with this decimal is we move it one place. Here's a story to help you remember this. So imagine this is a night. This decimal is a night. Then this is a whole number, so the decimal is going to be right here. So this red dot is a decimal. So pretend this decimal is a knight and this decimal is a princess. So every time a knight comes toward the princess, and the princess moves away from the knight. So every single time he jumps, she also jumps. Now, the decimal here is this whole number. So if we jump, what do we do? It's simple. You just add a 0. And then the knight comes. And if you reach the line and there's no more digits, the knight stops jumping and he knocks on the door. The princess, which is here, gets scared and jumps to the roof. As you can see, the decimal is after the 0 because that was the jump. Princess is all the way on top of the roof. Okay, so now we can divide by normal. Okay, so we have 1, we can't do that, so that's 0. Okay. Then we have 14 divided by 12, which is 1. And then we have 12 here, so that's 2. And then we're gonna bring down this 4 right here, so that's gonna be 4. So, and then we have 12 can go into 24 2 times, so that's 2 right there. So, yeah. And then we have 24 minus 24, which is 0. And we have this 0 right here. What we can do with the 0 is really simple. Just move straight up. So 144 divided by 1.2 is 120.0. Okay, now a problem where there's a decimal in the dividend, not the divisor, the dividend. So if there's a decimal in this number, which is inside the house, the princess stays here because there's no knight. The princess stays here and she just moves on to the top of the roof. Because there's no knight, she just straight up moves on to the top of the roof. So now we can divide like normal. So 4 divided by 38, which is 36. You can do that 9 times. So yeah. So 36, which is 2. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring down the 0 to make this a 20. I could go through 5 times. And then minus 20 is 0. Then we're going to bring down this 4 right here. Then we're going to do 4 divided by 4 is 1. And 4 minus 4 is 0. So as you can see, the decimal went just straight up. It's important when you do this problem that you line the decimal with the decimal on the bottom so you don't mix it up. And then the 1 is on top of the 4. So it's after the decimal. So the answer for this one is 95.1. And the answer for this one, right here, is 120.0. You don't have to put this point 0. It'll be the same thing. This and this is something. Okay. So in the next video, we're going to learn about decimal multiplication, and what you do if you have decimals in both of these numbers. It's simple, like this one right here, but it's a little bit different. So you see how the princess was moving here? The princess will actually be real numbers and not a zero. So be tuned for that. See you next time on Love and Study It. Bye!